Close them real tight. Ah! Shoot, I look crazy, I know. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nation here. And today I wanted to do something a little bit different. As you can see, it's a different background. I'm in my bedroom, and today I'm going to film my skincare routine, so I want it to be directly in front of a window so y'all can clearly see what I'm working with.
Hi guys.
So that's why I'm right here in front of the window, and this is what my face looks like. I woke up about 2 hours ago. All I've done is brush my teeth because I feel like I smile better when I brush my teeth, like my lips don't be as stiff. But bruh,
Bye, babe.
bye, have fun. Okay, so yeah, I woke up about 2 hours ago, and this is what my hair looks like without wrapping it at night. This is just what it's looking like waking up the next day. I am going to do how I refresh my curls right after I do this video, but I figure I'm just going to do 2 separate videos but film them at the same time, so that video will be coming next. But yeah, so this is what my face looks like, untouched, unwashed. Hair looks like untouched, unrefreshed. So yeah, I wanted y'all to like clearly see what I'm working with. Last night I went out, so I did my eyebrows. They're still on a little bit. I got some mascara on, and that's all I wore yesterday. So I need to wash my face because I did not wash that off last night. We got home late, I went straight to bed. And I wanted to talk in this video because I didn't really want to do another voiceover. So you may hear some cars driving by since I'm right in front of the window. But so yeah, today I'm going to do my skincare routine, as you can tell. And I've been using this Purity Made Simple one-step facial cleanser. I've been using this for a long time. If you are not new to my channel, you know I posted a skincare routine 2 years ago. This was the cleanser that I used. So I still use this, I still love it. And I use it morning and night. They have an exfoliator that I will sometimes use, but I'm not including this in the video because I rarely exfoliate. I use a washcloth to exfoliate with that cleanser, so I'll show you guys that. So yeah, what I'm gonna do first is I have a bowl of water and I have my face washcloth. So I've never done this before, but I really just did not want to do a voiceover for some reason. Like, shoot, I got my shirt wet. I really just wanted to like talk. So I'm gonna wet my washcloth, get my face damp. All right, so my face is damp. Take my cleanser, and I put about that much. Not too much. Mix that in and rub all over. Eyebrows is coming off. This really takes off your makeup very nicely. I'm gonna just wet my hands a little bit. You see some of my mascaras coming off. So what I do to take that off is I close my eyes and I rub. Close them real tight. Ah! Shoot, I look crazy, I know. But it's taking it off real nicely. So get it all up in there. All right, Now to exfoliate, I will take my damp washcloth and just rub over my skin. I cannot take my, hold on. I need to rinse this. I need to rinse this off my eyes. Dog, I look crazy. Alright, that's a little bit better. I like to focus the washcloth and like really scrub in here because I get flakes right in this area. So once I feel like I've scrubbed enough and my face gives it away because I'm red, but I don't play. I really be getting flakes all up in there. So now I just wipe. Or like when I'm in the shower, after I scrub with my washcloth, then I'll just go under the water and let the water rinse off everything. Next step is the astringent. So I like to use the Dickinson, I can't say that word, Witch Hazel. I've been using this for a while. I just feel like it kind of gets what I missed. And so I put it on a Q-tip. Enough to get it a little bit damp. And rub. I try to do like outward motions. Like so. I'm not gonna lie, since I've cut my hair, I've been like a little bit self-conscious about my face, like not my skin. Oh, I need to talk about my skin. But I feel like my face looks like fatter or something. Like I don't like smiling in my pictures because my cheeks have always been fat, but with short hair, it's like super noticeable. I don't know. It is what it is. About my skin. And while I talk about that, hold on. I use Aloe Vera Gel next once this dries. 100%. It just has like a preservative, which I don't mind preservatives in my products, but it's just, I guess, adds like a layer of moisture. And yeah, so that's why I use it. I started using it when I had really bad sunburn on my skin, thanks to my girl Naj. I think she's the one who told me about getting aloe vera, and ever since then I've been using it in my skincare routine. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on next. But the type of skin that I have is combination oily skin. In my T-zone area, I forget the word, somebody told me what it was, but it is dry, but I'm also very oily at the same time. So I'll be shiny, but you'll see flakes. I got weird skin. I've never had like really bad acne prone skin, so my skin has always been pretty good. Of course, y'all know these are freckles, and I just have like a few little bumps. I got like a little bump right there. Eye booger. I have a few little bumps. I get them around my eyebrows when I do them, but generally I don't get pimples. I got kind of blessed with good skin. All right, last but not least is moisturizer, my official moisturizer that goes over the aloe, because my skin doesn't feel moisturized when I just put aloe. It feels still dry. Now this is gonna look real terrible because I'm almost out, like there's only a little bit. This is the face oil that I used, and I will link the ingredients below. It's a DIY facial moisturizer that my big sis introduced to me. She made this for me a couple years ago, and I fell in love with it. I've been using it every day since. So I will link the recipe down below and insert a clip of my first video doing my skincare routine so you can see how it is full. So I'll insert that. But that's what it looks like. And I forget exactly what oils. I'll type them on the screen once I go back and look. But I love this moisturizer. It is literally my holy grail. I use it every day, and this is what I do. If I take my shower at night, I'll always wash my face in the morning, even if I don't shower. But if I take my shower in the morning, I won't wash my face at night before I go to bed, if that makes sense. Unless I have like a full face of makeup, then I'll wash that off before I go to bed. So I don't always wash my face morning and night, is basically what I'm saying. But when I wash it at night, wake up in the morning, it looks so good. So it's all mixed in, and as you can see, I'm not like super oily. It like absorbs into my skin. It feels so smooth, and I just love it. So that's literally it. That's all I do. And sometimes if I know I'm gonna be outside all day, I don't like to use this because it's literally just oils and it's gonna like bake in the sun. So let me go get that. This is the moisturizer that I will use if I'm gonna be out in the sun all day and I don't want my skin to be baked. And this stuff is okay. It's in the same line as the cleanser, so that's why I picked it up. And then if I have any breakouts, I don't really put anything on it. Sometimes I might put tea tree oil if I have a big pimple, but I haven't really struggled with pimples on my face in a long time. Real quick, diet and water and all that stuff that everyone talks about in these videos. I don't watch my diet straight like that. I just don't. I eat whatever. And I drink water every day during the week that I work. So at least 5 days a week I'll have 1 bottle of water. That's basically it. I don't drink the amount of water that I should drink, and I know I need to do better. But I just want to tell y'all what I do, because a lot of people are like, you have to drink water, you have to. And it is about your diet, but I've just been blessed with good skin, so I'm just telling y'all what I do. I don't drink a lot of water. And then also, I'm on birth control. I'm married, I'm young, I don't want no babies, but I love my husband. So I'm on birth control to prevent getting pregnant right now. And sometimes I have heard that birth control helps to deal with acne, so just putting that out there. That may be another reason why my skin is doing okay. But yeah, this kind of like a long video, so I'll end that here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for all the love and the support on my recent videos since I've been back on YouTube. I have seen all your video requests. I'm going to work on one of them next right now. And yeah, I just really appreciate all the support, all the sweet comments since my big chop, which if you haven't seen it, check it out. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that, hit the post notifications. And yes, welcome to the family. Love you guys. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.